Hello and welcome to another video tutorial. In today's tutorial, we will be talking about how to speed up a WordPress site and make your website load faster. We will be working on two websites that have poor speed metrics as shown from GTmetrix. We will optimize these websites, using an example like this. We will optimize it and make it have a ranking of A. While we are at this, could you kindly take a moment to like, subscribe and enable notification for future videos. This will go a long way to encourage us to make more videos. The first thing you do when trying to optimize your website speed is to check your hosting or server speed. This is important since your hosting will likely determine how fast your website is being served up to a visitor. You can get this done by using either Google Page Speed Insights or GTmetrix. Just input your website's URL and check for this. You can actually go through the analysis like the waterfall section to see more information on the website's speed performance. It is also quite important to take note of the TTFB, also known as the time to first byte. This tells a lot about a website's speed and its average performance. Check if you are on a shared hosting plan. If this is the case with you, there is a likelihood that your server performance could be impacted, which in turn could affect your website speed. If you can try to avoid shared hosting plans. The reason being that in most hosting plans, if somebody else, on the same server is using so much traffic, this could as well affect your website speed and performance. However, if you must be on shared hosting plan, choose better hosting like Namecheap's Business Stellar Plan or Hogahost Bigger Hosting Level Plan if you are in Nigeria and you want to find a cheaper and affordable hosting plans for yourself. The next step here is to try and use a lightweight theme. Choosing a theme for your WordPress site is an important step in your website's optimization process. A heavy theme can make your website load slowly. It is often recommended to choose a lightweight theme. Hello theme for Elementor is ideal. You can also use Astra theme. This is still good. Then there is the Need theme, which works too. You can use this theme as a lightweight theme for your WordPress site. The next thing to do, which is very important, is to optimize your website images. It is said the images or media contents take up to 70% of the website's disk server space. By optimizing these images, you increase the website speed entirely. I would recommend using this free plugin to optimize your website images. You can find the link in the description below. It helps you convert all your images on the website, from JPEG format to WebP format. This plugin will allow you to do all of this in bulk quantity, scanning all the images in your WordPress gallery and optimizing them for you. Once we are done with this step, we can proceed once again to check the website performance and speed on GTmetrix, and this time on checking, we can see that the website speed has improved. It has gone from the ranking of a low class D to having a ranking of C. This shows that we are gradually making some progress. Minifying your CSS and JavaScript files involves removing unnecessary characters, such as white spaces and line breaks, to reduce their file size. This can help improve the loading time of your WordPress site. There are several plugins available that can automatically minify your CSS and JavaScript files, making the process quick and easy. For us here, we use the Lightspeed Cache plugin for this. Caching is a technique that stores a static version of your website, allowing it to load faster for subsequent visits. By enabling caching on your WordPress site, you can reduce the server load and improve the overall speed. There are various caching plugins available for WordPress. For us, we use the Lightspeed Cache plugin. Your WordPress site's database stores all the content, settings, and configurations. Over time, it can become bloated with unnecessary data, which can slow down your site. Regularly optimizing your database by removing unnecessary data, such as post revisions and spam comments, can help improve the performance of your WordPress site. A content delivery network, CDN, is a network of servers located in different geographic locations that deliver your website's content to users based on their location. By using a CDN, you can distribute the load across multiple servers and reduce the distance between your site and your visitors. This can result in faster loading times for users around the world. The use of plugins on a WordPress site is important and can also hamper the performance and speed of your website. If you are using too many plugins that are not necessarily useful, this can equally slow your website down. Some plugins are heavy, and would add codes to your WordPress site that will make it slow. If you are using a plugin like Jetpack and Monster Insight, these are heavy plugins and will eat up some server RAM each time they are running cron tasks. The homepage of every website is the default page when people access your website. When you design your WordPress site using a page builder like Elementor, especially the homepage that has many design outlook, this can make your homepage load slower. Once we have done all of these steps outlined here, you can go ahead and check your website speed again. For us, checking the website speed this time, you can see that the website speed and performance have increased, and it is now at a ranking of A. This is just perfect. Follow the following steps and you can improve your website's speed and performance.